Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted data from Google Sheet account. First of all, as you can see, I have a Google Sheet opened in front of you, and what I will do, I will change it and mess it up a little bit. For example, I have changed some of the entries from this sheet. What I will do, I will refresh the page, and now as you can see, my data has been altered, or someone has messed it up. So what should I do to recover my old data? What you have to do is click on the file section on the top left corner. From here you will see an option called version history. From here you have to select see version history, and then you will see all of the version history and the changes made with each and every detail. You have to select the old version history. When I select it, as you can see, it has been recovered without any changes, and you have to select restore this version. When I select restore, my data has been restored, and someone or whoever messed my data up has been recovered by this option. And that's how you can recover deleted data from Google Sheet account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.